boom, right here. This is the EUFY 2C Pro. This is a wireless camera, 2K resolution, waterproof, and wireless too. What? Boom, boom, boom. EUFY 2C Pro. Boom, boom. Oh, there we go, there we go. EUFY security. Open this up. Boom. Oh. Yeah, brochure here and all good stuff. Whoa, look at that. Oh man, look how small this camera is. Tiny. Again, this is an add-on camera, so you do need a base station that's not included. This is the add-on camera, but guys, this thing has 2K resolution and it's so small, so compact. Woo! Whoa, look at that camera. Nice. Even have the little LED right here, the spotlight. Sweet. This thing is completely wire-free because this thing is powered by the 180-day battery life built in, and this is wireless because it connects to your base station via Wi-Fi. What? So that is a completely wireless installation. You pop this anywhere in your house, outside your house, as long as it has Wi-Fi connectivity, you have a wireless security camera that's 2K resolution, night vision, human detection. Don't forget, with EUFY camera, the data is stored in the base station, so you don't have to have any subscription. No subscription annually, no subscription monthly. Oh man, EUFY security system right here. Also in the box, you have all this accessory right here. So this USB cable right here, you use it for charge. So this is a micro USB cable. You just plug this in here, and that's how you charge your camera. This thing, remember, you charge it one time. It lasts 180 days. Yeah, you have some mounting hardware. You also have this beautiful piece right here. So this one, once you open this up, this part you can mount into your wall or wherever you want, right? And then this thing screws on top, and you have an amazing access to angle your camera. On this weatherproof camera, all you gotta do is install the Core 20 thread onto it, and just like that, boom, now you attach a security camera. This thing can rotate like this, up, down, all around, can turn it any angle. EUFY security system right here. This is the 2C Pro. There we go, guys. The EUFY 2C Pro right here. Oh, yeah.